this is Kina with Sweet Gem Life. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the June 2021 VillaBeauTIFFul subscription kit. It is titled Written in Stars. If you're interested in seeing what's in this kit, stay tuned. Okay, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. When I do unboxings, I typically go in the order of how items are listed here on the card. So again, this month's kit is titled Written in the Stars. It's full of shades of purple, white, gray. Just it's beautiful, y'all. So let's go ahead and get started. The first item up in this month's kit is the Zodiac Girls card set, and there's a note here that says Zodiac Girls drawn by Primrose Garden. In case you didn't know, Primrose Garden is another shop that VillaBeauTIFFul recently collaborated with on another kit. I'll go ahead and link that kit, the unboxing of that kit, up here. So these are the cards. There are quite a few. So this one says Capricorn, loving, kind, responsible. Are they marble? Okay, they're marble. I thought mine was tore up. And then this is Sagittarius, adaptable, optimistic, cheerful, Scorpio, honest, ambitious, brave, Libra, sociable, charming, easygoing, Virgo, modest, reliable, practical, Leo, generous, cheerful, warm-hearted, Cancer, imaginative, loving, sympathetic, Gemini, gentle, curious, intelligent. I wouldn't say gentle. Taurus, devoted, calm, responsible, Aries, determined, confident, courageous, Pisces, compassionate, intuitive, artistic, Aquarius, loyal, independent, and friendly. And this last one says, you're a sky full of stars. And the back just says, VillaBeauTIFFul 12 Zodiac foiled cards. Zodiac Girls artwork by the Primrose Corner. So this is the Zodiac Girls card set. The next item up is the Washi Tape in this month's kit. We have the Night Sky 15mm. Y'all, this is super pretty. This ombre, baby. And then we have the Celestial Ombre, the shades of purple, and the hollow decor. And this is the 7.5, the 7.5mm tape. So these are your washi tapes in this month's box. The next item up is the VB sticker book, and it has 9 pages plus a mini deco sheet, and it comes on the new sticker paper. So June 2021, Written in the Stars. This is the mini deco sheet. It always has the month's pen, and as you can see, everything is hollow foil. So here's sheet page number 1 with your full boxes. Page 2, we've got our icons. We've got our pay bills, some more circle icons down here. We have our clipboards. This is a new design. More full boxes. We've got some half boxes in different shapes. We have some headers. Y'all, that foil is really popping on that one. We've got some scalloped boxes. This is the deco page. We have our check boxes and our flags. We have our date covers, our tabs, our arrows, and we have our double boxes and our hexagons. So this is the sticker book and mini deco. The next item up is the transparent half circle page flag set. Y'all, these colors are to die for, like for real. So we have the card that has the hollow foil on it. Don't forget to peel the backing off of here. And then you have your 3 shades of purple. This one could almost pass for blue, of the half circle page flags. So this is the transparent half circle page flag set. The next item up is the transparent washi tape. Now, Washi Roll. So these are the days of the week stickers. Y'all, this is a fairly new design coming from VillaBeauTIFFul. I hate that it does this and I'll lose that sticker. Let's see if we can save it. You might be able to save it, y'all. All right, did we save it? No, it wasn't even a real sticker. See, you just went through all of that. Oh, yes, we saved it. So we've got the days of the week. And again, this is a washi sticker. So I saw Tiffany on her channel recommend peeling it off like this to get access to the stickers easily. Isn't that cool? So this one is the days of the week. And then we got another one that has these deco stickers on it. Let's see. Goodness, if that's not the strongest washi you ever seen in life, what in the ham sandwich? Okay, that's a mess. So this roll is the deco stickers. So these are the 2 washi rolls in this month's kit. Next item up are the transparent stickers and cards. Y'all, I am not the biggest fan of purple. I'll be the first to admit it, but this kit has me looking kind of crazy. So let's go through our transparent stickers first. We have the transparent bar stickers, the shape stickers. This is shape stickers 1, shape stickers 2, transparent word stickers, transparent icon stickers. These are the transparent corner stickers and the transparent open shapes. Then we have our transparent cards. These also have the protective backing on them that you need to peel before you use them so that you can see that they're transparent. That's the first one. The second one says dwell on the beauty of life. Watch the stars and see yourself running with them. This one says we have the same kind of stardust in our souls, and this one just has the celestial hands. So this is the transparent stickers and cards in this month's kit. The next item up, you see it. This is this month's pen. It is titled Written in the Stars after the kit. And it says that star sequins are randomly scattered inside crystal chamber, which can cause some clumping of sequins and random placement. So y'all, we have this purple glitter paint. Can you see it? I really hope this camera can pick up this glitter paint. And then the crystals inside are purple. They're navy blue. There are hollow stars. Y'all, it's super pretty. I don't have any purple pens. That's not true. I know I just recently got some from like the neon collection. So this is the Written in the Stars pen. The next item up are these 2 full box sticky notes. So we have this one in the gray that says AM PM with the hollow foil. And then we have this one in the lavender color that just says focus. And it has a line here for you to fill something in that you can focus on. These are the 2 full box sticky notes. And this is the magnetic bookmark set, and we have one in black, and then we have that hollow. Let's go ahead and get these out. These are substantial, y'all. This ain't no cheap. These are pretty good. Okay, Tiffany, you trying to give Ali Block a run for their money? Do it, baby. So this is the magnetic bookmark set. Last but not least, I have the paper pack. So you have 2 options of ordering your VillaBeauTIFFul kit. You can either order just the basic kit without the paper, or you can add your paper on. If you order the paper pack, you will get 4 sheets of cardstock and 2 sheets of vellum. So the cardstock is double-sided. The vellum obviously is not. So here is the first page of the cardstock. Okay, come off camera, focus, don't do it. Ooh, that's pretty. Y'all, look at that ombre, those brush strokes, that is so pretty. And then we have the vellum. And vellum. So guys, this is the paper pack in this month's kit. Alright y'all, so this is the June 2021 Villa Beautiful kit titled Written in the Stars. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications. Make sure to follow me on social media, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.